Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. Today in this video we are going to see how to send WhatsApp message to nutritional brands Facebook leads. So I run a nutrition company and to promote my business I use Facebook lead ads. And here my objective is that whenever a new lead is received through Facebook lead ads, then I want to send a message to that particular lead on WhatsApp. For that I'm simply going to create a connection between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp Cloud API. Pabbly Connect works on two principles. First is trigger and second is action. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads and my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API. To learn how to do this, let me take you to my screen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a WhatsApp message to your Facebook leads automatically. So I run a nutrition company and to promote my business, I am running an ad campaign on my Facebook page and I have also created a lead gen form with the help of Facebook lead ads. And I want that whenever a form is submitted, then automatically a WhatsApp message should be sent to that lead. And for that, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect, which will help me to automate this entire process. Now, to begin with the process, we are first going to search for pabbly.com/connect. So as we do that, here we have reached the landing page of this software. On my right hand side, you can see two options over here, sign in and sign up free. If you are an existing user, then simply click on sign in. But if you are a new user, then please click on this tab sign up free. It won't take more than 2 minutes and yes, you will also get 100 free tasks every month. So I'm simply going to click on sign in as I'm an existing user. And here we have reached all Pabbly application page. Now let's click on access now for Pabbly Connect. And here we have reached the dashboard of this application. Now, if you want to create a new folder, then simply click on this icon and create a new folder. As I want to create a new folder for my new workflows, I'm simply going to click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the folder. So I'm going to name my folder as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Now let's click on create. And as you can see over here, we have successfully created a folder named as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. Again on my right hand side, you can see a tab named as Create Workflow. Let's click on this. And here a dialog box has appeared which is asking us to name the workflow. So I'm going to name my workflow as Send WhatsApp message to nutritional brands Facebook leads. And as you can see over here, I've selected a folder named as Facebook Leads to WhatsApp. By clicking on this drop down over here, you will find all the folders which you have created earlier. Now let's click on create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got us to extremely important events. First is trigger and second is action. Trigger is when this happens and action is do this. Basically, action here is the response of a trigger application. Now my trigger application is going to be Facebook lead ads. Let's click on this. And now we have to select a trigger event. This is the event which will make your workflow start. Let's click on this and here you will find two options, new lead instant and new lead. I'm simply going to select new lead instant and it says triggers when a new lead is submitted in specified lead gen form associated to your Facebook page. Let's select this. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to click on add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. After that, click on connect with Facebook lead ads and then select your account. And we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now, here we have to select a page and it says please select a Facebook page. If you don't see your page listed, access your account settings to confirm that the connected account has the correct manage page permissions and then reconnect your account. So I have named my Facebook page as Nutrition Nirvana. So I'm going to search for Nutrition Nirvana over here. Let's select this. So as we have selected a Facebook page, let's move ahead on the lead gen form. So here we have to select a lead ads form. Please ensure that lead ads form is live, else you might not receive the lead data correctly. Let's click on this and I have named my lead ads form as lead gen form. And as you can see over here, there is an important note. Please note that after clicking the save and send test button, you will need to generate sample submission of your lead ads form by clicking the preview form button and filling out the form. Make sure that the lead generation form is live before making the sample submission, which means after clicking the save and send test button, we will need to generate a sample submission or a test submission. Let's click on save and send test request now. And here it says waiting for webhook response. And as you can see over here, there is a note again. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. And for that, we are going to search for Meta for developers. And after searching for Meta for developers, click on this first link over here, or you can directly search for developers.facebook.com. Let's click on this. And this is Meta for developers page. Now click on more and then go to tools. And then scroll it down and you will find lead ads RT debug tool. Make sure your API or CRM integration is set up correctly and receiving data. Let's click on this. And this is lead ads testing tool. Use this tool to test your API or CRM integration. You can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. And to do a test submission, we are going to select a page in the form name. Let's click on this and select a page name first. Now before clicking on this preview form, let's read this. You can create one lead per form. You will need to delete an existing lead in order to create a new one. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. But as of now, I do not have any lead. So I'm simply going to click on this preview form. And this is the form which I have created. So I'm simply going to enter all the dummy details over here. After that, click on next and then submit. And here it says your test lead has been sent. To create a new lead, please delete this one. Let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account and check whether we have received our response or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our response. Full name is dummy user, email address is dummy@pabblytudes.com, and the phone number is this, which means we have successfully set up our trigger application. Now my action application is going to be WhatsApp Cloud API. Let's click on this. And after that, we have to select an action event. Let's click on this. And here you will find three options: send template message, send text message, and custom API request. I'm simply going to select send template message, as I want to send a template message which I have created already. After that, click on connect. And now to connect our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account, we need to set up a connection. For that, I'm simply going to select add new connection. But if you have an existing connection, please select existing connection. Now to add a new connection, we have to enter all these details over here, which is token, phone number ID, and the WhatsApp business account ID. So let me take you to my WhatsApp Cloud API account, as I've already set up my WhatsApp Cloud API account through Meta for developers. And now go to API setup and app dashboard, and here you will find all the details which you need to enter in your Pabbly Connect account. So I'm simply going to copy all the details from here and then I'm going to paste it in my Pabbly Connect account. So this is the temporary access token, this is the phone number ID, and this is the WhatsApp business account ID. So I'm going to copy this temporary access token first and then I'm going to paste it over here in my Pabbly Connect account. After that, I'm going to do the same with phone number ID and the WhatsApp business account ID. So as you can see over here that I have successfully entered all the details from the WhatsApp Cloud API. Now click on save. And here we have successfully connected our WhatsApp Cloud API account with our Pabbly Connect account. Now moving ahead on the template name, here we have to select a template name and it says select your WhatsApp message template. So let me show you the template message which I have created. And this is the template message which I want to send to my Facebook leads, which says, hello, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team member will assist you in a while. Thanks. And here, as you can see, I've added a variable which is dynamic in nature and it will keep changing as per the leads are generated. And as you can see, I have named my template message as new lead message. So I'm going to select new lead message over here. And as I have selected my template name, language code and the selected template ID have been selected automatically. After that, moving ahead on the recipient mobile number, here we have to enter the recipient mobile number with country code but without the plus sign, for example this. So here we have to enter the recipient mobile number with the country code but without the plus sign. So firstly, I'm going to enter 91, which is the country code, and after that I'm going to map the recipient mobile number, which is this. Basically, mapping is a technique through which we can insert the data from the previous steps. After that, we have to enter this body field over here, for example this, and it says this template field is required. If you leave this template field as empty, your message may not be delivered. So I'm going to enter the body field, which is dummy user. So as you can see over here that I have entered the dummy recipient mobile number over here. So I'm going to enter my actual mobile number so that I can show you the actual WhatsApp. After that, click on save and send test request. And as you can see over here, the message status is accepted, which means we will receive our WhatsApp message within few minutes. So let's go back to our WhatsApp account and check whether we have received our message or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received our message which says, hello dummy user, thank you for choosing us. We got your details. One of our team member will assist you in a while. Thanks. And as you can see, the variable have been also replaced with the name, which is dummy user. So let's go back to our lead ads testing tool and check this automation in real time. So in order to create a new lead, we need to delete our existing lead. For that, I'm simply going to click on this delete lead. And here it says your lead has been deleted. Now refresh this page once, which is a necessary step, and select your page and the form name again. After that, click on next and then submit. And our lead has been sent. And let's go back to our WhatsApp account and check whether we have received a new message or not. And as you can see over here, we have successfully received another response, which means we have successfully connected our Facebook lead ads account with our WhatsApp Cloud API. Now let's go back to our Pabbly Connect account. We have successfully set up our trigger and action application, and it was a successful workflow. So let's summarize this quickly. Here my trigger application is Facebook lead ads, and my trigger event is new lead instant. Here my action application is WhatsApp Cloud API, and my action event is send template message. And if you also want to send WhatsApp messages to your Facebook lead, then simply follow this two-step workflow. Hope this video was a helpful one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, but you can also integrate many other applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, please reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any queries, please reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, please reach out to us at this website. If you find this video helpful in any way, please do not forget to share this video with your friends. And also please like our video and subscribe to our channel to learn more such automations.